The Telco Accelerator allows the telco companies to rapidly customize their business. They have the ability to define the assortments, the services, the data plans. Everything that is related to the business can be customized to specific customer group level, which means that this is especially important in B2B business because almost every company have their own specific requirements, and the Telco Accelerator is built to support those needs. Cloud-based. There's no requirement for the telco company to install new software and manage the infrastructure because it's all in the cloud from Bluestone PIM. When we are talking to the customers, they say that there is a big need for a scalable and flexible platform, especially in B2B. Many telco platforms is based on consumer requirements, and B2B requirements are completely different because there's so much more specific functionality that needs to be connected to customer groups. Therefore, the Telco Accelerator is also a perfect match for B2B customers and for B2C customers that want to expand to B2B. In the Telco Accelerator, you can also set up customer-specific APIs so that the catalog can be exposed to other sales channels like partners or sub-brands to the telco company. And this will make it possible to increase the number of sales channels for the telco companies. So just to give you an example of this, some customers build their own front end and they integrate with our Telco Accelerator. So the business logic is within the Telco Accelerator, but they build their own front end. But we have also experience in building a front end to the customer, and then it's one more bigger package. And we also have the ability to switch parts of the website, which is only related to e-commerce. So the customer can still have their main site, and we integrate the e-commerce part into the main site. So these are few examples on how Telco Accelerator can be implemented into the business. The Telco Accelerator is well proven because it's today used by many major telecom companies. And the PBCs can be plugged into an existing system, and the customer have the ability to choose which one to integrate. So the customer can start with like PIM and then later add price management and campaign management and customer management to offer more flexibility in the business.